So the first thing you want to do is download the ReviewPro extension. You're going to go ahead and click the link to get to the Chrome store where the ReviewPro extension is, or you can just go there and search for ReviewPro and then click Add to Chrome. Now, after it's downloaded, you're going to click the top right of your window where the puzzle piece is, or you can click the three dots and go down to Manage Extensions. And then you're going to see the ReviewPro extension there. I recommend clicking the puzzle piece and clicking the button where it says Pin Extension. So it's going to show up at the top. And then you're going to want to click that and then log into the extension with your email and password that you got after you signed up for your trial. And if you don't see your password, go to your spam folder or your promotions folder. You're going to see it there. After you've logged in, you're going to see a few of the different menu items here. You can go to the ReviewPro tutorials, click Manage Storefront to connect your Amazon Influencer storefront page, and also scan your order history, and then even manage your subscription with the My Account button. There's going to be a few other on here as well. But to make sure that it is working, I want you to open up Amazon on a separate tab and open up any kind of product. Open it up and you're going to see the ReviewPro dashboard. You'll be able to see the Pro Score, the 30-day revenue, the daily sales, the price point, the number of reviews, how many Amazon influencer videos are on there, like everything you need to know if a product is going to be good to review or not. And also you're going to be able to see your video placement, if it's at the top, the bottom, or neither, whatever the case may be. Also, you're going to be able to see the commission structure and be able to see how long this product has been selling. I'll go more into this data in other videos, but I just want to make sure that it is showing and that you are logged in and that it is working. If you ever want to go onto Amazon and maybe not see all of this information, you can click the extension and then click the toggle on and off button to turn it off if you want to. And also you can even edit and customize all of the information, the data information that you want to have displayed. So if I want to take some things out, maybe it'll show a little bit less, which is kind of cool. So that is how to download the extension, how to log in, and then start seeing all of the product data with ReviewPro.